All right, Euro USD dropped down pretty crazy. I had gotten out of this. I thought it was gonna go up. It dropped. I don't like trading at this range because on fib we're hella sideways and we dropped down all the way here. I don't even know if this fib is really relevant still because it measured this move way back in September of last year. I can't do anything here. It's just not something I'm going to trade. I'm not comfortable risking 1% here, especially for a play that is going to go lower or a bet that is going to go lower. I'm really just kind of watching it for educational purposes. Euro CAD. Um, we could explode from here, but it's sideways. That's the truth. It's just kind of sideways right now. It's only been that way for a couple days, but man, yeah, I can't do that one. I like this. I like this play. This was a heads up play. Very gutsy that I ended up taking last night. This is actually after we've already come into the sacred 618 and 50 fib levels and dropped down. Wish I would have caught this drop. Man, I could have saw that coming too, man. I wonder if I said anything about it yesterday. I'll have to go back in my videos and see. But yeah, this is a crazy drop. And then we have more drop. And then I think we drop all the way to here maybe, man. Something like that. I'm gonna hold this, watch, try to see what happens when it meets the 50. Check this out. This is what you can do whenever you get your alert game up. Shit, I lied. How do I do this? Yeah, here we go. For the EMA. Oh, if the EMA crosses that level, that's crazy. It's not like dynamic like that, I don't think. Let me see. I'm about to find out. We are about to find out right now. It's so crazy with this Tradingview stuff. I remember when it first came out, man. Charts used to really, really suck back in the day. And yep, I can put it on here. I can add an alert one there. Um, nope. I wonder how to do it to where it once per bar. So yeah, I'm gonna try this. Y'all gonna get to see it real time. Sorry, it's taking me forever to kind of process this. Um, yeah, so let's just create it. Okay, so yeah, it did it. Maybe I dropped it like this and say, all right, in between here, let's see. Yep, I'm gonna do it like that, man. Try to see if they converge right there. That'll be interesting. Um, yeah, so that's definitely a huge advantage of upgrading. Anyways, Euro JPY. So in position on that one. Kind of watch and see what happens. Oh, this is why we stopped. We came up on this 50. Very interesting. Very interesting that we touched the 50, man. And that it created a stall. We're gonna have to blast through this, and I wonder if we have enough momentum to pull back and then do it. So what I'm gonna do is use this as a base position. I'm gonna wait. I got about 30 more minutes before the day is over. So 30 minutes, and then another pivot area will print, and I'm gonna try to combo into that trade. So I'll have two trades going on. This is gonna be my base trade for a move down to these levels ish. So it's not a huge move, but yeah, I'm gonna play this like a little mini pyramid. Anyways, next pair. Euro GBP. I'm not excited about this at all. Oh shit, we're like way overextended. I'm not doing this. I'm not playing this. I think I miscalculated this fib though. So I'm gonna go in and fix it right now. I definitely think I miscalculated this fib. Wow. By a lot. I'm gonna do this instead. See how much cleaner all the touches are on this. Do that. So it looks like that. I'm really focused on when I draw this, I don't look at the bars. I look at two bars. I look at this bar right here, where the move started, line that up, and then I try to find the pullback. I was counting this as a pullback. Let me get rid of all this shit. So I was using this right here as a pullback, which it is. It's just a baby pullback. It's not like a legit, all right, we're done moving down. Instead, it was like a quick pause, like a stutter step. This is more of a pullback, and then we went down some more. So it's like a two separate moves, down, pullback, right? This is what I want to draw on. So when I draw fib, I start here. Let me draw this in just in case y'all need this type of illustration. I don't know. I start here, and I stop it here. That's it. So I draw it and I line these two up. This is 100% of the move right here. So then when we pull back, I can really see, okay, we hesitate a little bit here, almost did, and then we pulled all the way back. Crazy how this lines up, man. I swear it's crazy every time. This is a 50%, which I'm starting to hold in really high regard compared to 618. 618 is like one that I really used to look for, but now I'm looking at the 50. Like if we break through the 618, we're going to get stopped by the 50. And if I would have been looking at framing it in that way on this, yeah, we got stopped by the 50 and dropped in. We dropped hard right here. Now the extended levels are a lot further. So now maybe I do have a trade here. Off of 100 down to damn, what happened? What? I don't know what I just did. Let me get rid of these. Let me see if I can, okay, here we go. So yeah, we dropped beyond baseline, pulled back, reacted to it, dropped down. Not only did we react to baseline, but we reacted to the 50 EMA on a 4-hour chart, which is really what was driving this. And I can play this like a key level trade. So I can play this like it's an orange key level and just play it down here. That's how that would have got traded. My stop loss would have been up here somewhere. Maybe this level-ish, right? So I'm going to go ahead and draw that in because it is a beautiful trade, and I missed it because I miscalculated when drawing my fib levels. So this is the trade. It's a short position off of this level. We bleed a little bit here, but we're stopping here. We're stopped out right here. We bled a lot actually, but yeah, whatever. Then I actually drop in. So that's my stop. Shit, what did I just do? What did I just draw in? I don't know. I fucking love this trading stuff. It's so fun and frustrating at the same time. Not fun, just interesting. It's all patterns, man. It's all patterns and rhythms and finding it and seeing what they're telling you. It's a 273 move that I missed because I drew my fib wrong. What about all the trades I might have missed right in here because I drew my fib wrong? How did I get these right even though I drew my fib wrong? That's crazy, right? That's what I'm thinking about. But whatever. Anyways, live and learn. Let's see if we got some more. Yeah, Euro AUD. I can play this off of the 272. Drop down. Beautifully, actually. This would have got close to getting stopped out. There's a play here, though, obviously. I mean, play it like that. Stop it out if it gets beyond that green line, but it didn't. Stop looks like that. My exit looks like where we're at right now, to be honest. It's a 50 EMA. And a 200 EMA on that. I got some room on the daily though. I got some room on the daily. 214. Shout out to Dallas. Pretty much. I could take this, or I could actually, being that it's like the beginning of a potential move, this might be like a pyramid play down to here, this area. Let's see if that's accurate, actually. Let me go to the daily chart and see where the 50 is. Yeah, we're probably gonna have to fight a little bit right here, which is fine. So if I just say we're gonna drop down to the 50, let's see what that move looks like. Just beyond where we're experiencing resistance, pretty much. Instead of trying to fight and waiting for the price to fight through this, I just close this out and then play a second bite at the apple. Right in here is here. People say, all right, so that's a 213. So that move, this move, seen in real time and realized in real time, you enter right here. Your stop is up here. All doable, all realistic with the strategy and what I'm teaching. 213 is the exit. So it will look just like that, man. Doesn't have to be hard or forced or any of that stuff. Just depends on if you're willing to really master this analysis stuff first. All right, CAD. I'll jump to these, the rest of the pairs on the next video. Peace.